Here's something that's going to shock you. 73% of established businesses with zero online presence will be out of business within 5 years. That's not my opinion, that's data. And if you don't have real online presence right now, you're already behind. I'm talking to successful entrepreneurs here, people making 6 figures, maybe multiple 6 figures. You've built something real. You get clients, you get revenue, you get systems. But here's the brutal truth most won't tell you. Without online presence, you're building on quicksand. Look, I get it. You might be thinking your business is different and you get clients through referrals and you don't need any social media. And maybe that's working right now. But let me ask you something. What happens if your biggest referral source changes, moves, or retires? What happens when your business gets disrupted by someone half your age who understands the importance of digital marketing? Here's what's really happening while you are avoiding internet. Your competitors aren't just getting online, they're dominating online. While you are relying on word of mouth, they're building email lists of thousands. While you're hoping for referrals, they're generating leads 24/7. While you're networking at local events, they are networking globally. And here's the kicker, they're not necessarily better than you. They just understand something you don't. The internet isn't just another marketing channel anymore. It's become the primary way people research, evaluate, and choose service providers. Think about it. When was the last time you hired someone without Googling them first? Your prospects are doing the same thing. And if you are not online, you simply don't exist in their decision-making process. So you'd better avoid these 3 critical mistakes that most entrepreneurs do. Mistake number 1, thinking your industry is different. My clients don't use social media. Really? Because 89% of B2B decision makers research vendors online before making purchasing decisions. Your accountant client, they are on LinkedIn. Your law firm prospect, they're watching YouTube videos about their legal challenges. Your high-ticket consulting lead, they're consuming content, trying to evaluate the level of knowledge every expert in the industry has before making the right decision. I've seen lawyers, accountants, wealth managers, and even industrial equipment suppliers all scale past 50K a month through strategic online presence. Your industry isn't special. Your approach just needs to be more strategic. Mistake number 2, confusing online presence with social media dancing. You probably think that online presence is posting random selfies and chasing viral trends. Wrong. Real online presence for established entrepreneurs means demonstrating expertise, building authority, and creating systematic touchpoints with your ideal clients. It's about being findable when people search for solutions you provide. It's about having content that educates your prospects before you waste your time on discovery calls. It's about positioning yourself as the choice in a crowded marketplace. Mistake number 3, waiting for the perfect strategy. You are researching, planning, and thinking about maybe starting next quarter. Meanwhile, your competition is building audiences, capturing leads, and closing deals. Perfect timing doesn't exist, but perfect opportunity costs do. Every month you wait is another month you let your competitors get stronger online, while you get relatively weaker comparing to them. Let's do some quick math here. If strategic content marketing could generate just 5 additional qualified leads per month, and your average client value is $2,000, that's $10,000 monthly and $120,000 annually. Now, what if you're leaving 10 leads on the table? Or 20? I'm not talking about pipe dreams here. You need to stop thinking about online presence as marketing and start treating as your business infrastructure. Just like you would never run your business without accounting systems or client management systems, I suggest you never even try running your business without content systems. Your online presence becomes your always-on sales team, your credibility amplifier, and your competitive mode. When prospects Google you or browse social media, they should find your content that immediately positions you as the go-to expert. When they run into your LinkedIn page, they need to see some strategic insights that will tell them that you are the person who understands what they're doing. When they find your YouTube channel, watch your videos, or read your articles, they need to walk away with the idea, I need to work with this person. And that's not vanity, that's business strategy. Now, building this kind of system isn't about posting random content and hope for the best. It requires a system, specifically 4 key components. First, authority positioning that makes you the obvious choice in your space. Second, content that actually converts browsers into buyers, not just like into more likes. Third, sales systems that work while you sleep, qualifying prospects and moving them toward working with you. Fourth, scale systems that let you dominate multiple platforms without burning out. This kind of system helps you build a predictable client acquisition system that happens to use content as the vehicle for that. You might be thinking, but I don't have time for this. I totally get it. You got clients to serve and you have operations to manage. But here's the thing, you don't have time not to do it. Because while you're busy serving today's clients, who's building pipeline for generating revenue for the next year? The entrepreneurs who figure this out do not work more hours, they work smarter hours. They're building systems that attract new clients while they're serving existing ones. Look, I've spent the last 5 years perfecting exactly this kind of system. I've helped entrepreneurs across 10 different industries build content funnels that generate consistent 10K, 15K, even 20K month. And I've documented the entire process in this detailed video. If you want to see how the system works step by step, that video breaks down everything. You'll find the link in the description below. I firmly believe that your expertise deserves to be seen, and your business deserves predictable growth. Click the link, watch the video, and let's fix it before another quarter goes by.